the screws, unplugged every USB-C Thunderbolt cable from the back of my computer, including my camera, connected my OWC Thunderbolt 5 hub to the computer, plugged the Stream Deck Plus into the OWC Thunderbolt 5 hub using USB-C. My friend told me, before plugging everything else back in, let's see if the Stream Deck boots up first. The Stream Deck powered on perfectly. Everything I had previously loaded onto it showed up immediately. Then he told me, test the microphone, try voice to text, and see if it works. I tested it right away and even sent him a voice to text email while we were on the phone. Everything worked perfectly. That happened on April 27th, and today is May 15th. It's still working perfectly with zero issues. So in my opinion, yes. It is absolutely possible to use this setup successfully. From Elgato's side, they say it's not officially supported, but personally I think, 1. They made too many excuses. 2. They never fully tested it. 3. The community ended up figuring it out ourselves. The good news is, Bruce from Elgato told me this setup would not void my warranty, which was important to me. I'm also successfully running 48V phantom power with a condenser microphone, FIFINE K669C. People tell me I sound great, and the setup has been solid. Some people told me that by getting this working, I'm making Elgato look bad. I don't see it that way. I think Elgato should step up and actually test these combinations more thoroughly, because there's clearly demand for it. Honestly, they could sell these products together officially, let the community help beta test, gather feedback from users, even reward users helping with compatibility testing. At the end of the day, I'm just sharing my real-world experience. This setup works 100% for me. I'll also post the clip of what Bruce from Elgato said himself. If anyone wants screenshots or proof of the setup, just ask. Thanks for reading, and thanks to everyone who helped along the way. Bruce C. Elgato, May 12th, 2026, 10:24 PDT. Hi Luis, thank you for getting back to me. As previously mentioned, the Stream Deck Plus is compatible with the XLR Dock MK.2. It is the Stream Deck Plus XL that is not compatible. Although some people may be using it in this manner, this is not recommended, and we cannot guarantee that it will function properly. As for the warranty, again, this will not invalidate it.